25%, 50%. Time remaining 1 minute. 50%.
The wheels haven't been, the landing gear hasn't been the same since.
25%. 30 seconds, 0. Gear up, G-limit disengaged. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes. 50%. Zero. 50%.
All right, let's see if we can do it. See it.
Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. G-limit disengaged. 50%. G-limit disengaged. 50%. 0. 50%. 5%, 50%. G-limit disengaged. 25%, 0. Reverse full.
Hey, I said around 8. I'm only a few minutes late.
Watch out, steep. Oh, there you go.
Gear up. G-limit disengaged. 50%, 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
I wonder why they come down when you don't want them. You know? No, that's true. And it always
25%, 50%. 0.
yeah. Well, those are fine for like
25%, 50%. G-limit disengaged. Landing flaps. 25%. 0. 0.
Yeah, I feel the throttle flooded.
Ooh, a little hard.
That was full up, huh?
But it doesn't even have to. Yeah, I mean,
Gear
it's
up.
still when I took off.
50%.
She's booking. Now you better go around.
50%. 5%. 0. 25%. G-limit disengaged.
Oh, beautiful. Oh, God.
Engage
That
50%.
goes right on the front. Boy, she's still booking. I thought it would slow down.
Reverse full.
I saw a video on the thing. I think.
There.
limit disengaged. 50%. 50%. Time remaining 3 minutes.
Was she here? Like this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can't keep up with you guys.
25%. 50%.
Touch and go.
G limit disengaged. 50%.
Man, I was so landing too.
Reverse full.
Boy, look at those nacelles. Look at those babies shine.
Are you gonna fly it or stare at it?
Oh yeah.
They don't stay it.
I gotta put some elevator trim. I gotta put some elevator trim in.
50%.
No runway!
White, yellow flag.
Just in time.
Gear up.
That was close.
It's a little scary, but you can do it.
Second
50%.
off.
Look at that.
Nice.
Scott! Oops.
25%.
Not a big fan of you going upside down with the thing. What's upside down?
To our right?
50%.
All right, as in
25%. 0.
with your bigger jet, you go out way further.
Yeah, probably.
Reverse full. 5,
I was advised
4,
way before I
3,
came across the
2,
runway.
1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately.
Yeah.
Try your axle.
Oh, baby!
Now you see why I haven't taken those other wings off yet.
Yeah.
You wondered if you do it, if you set it up right.
Look at that, unlimited vertical. Ooh, I like the sound of that.
I was using 3200s in mine, and then I switched it to 4. What was that?
That was a hold.
That was a hold?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
That's the transmitter. That's not him. Or, well, it could be the transmitter. It could be the receiver.
I think it's the antenna.
No reverse, dude. Not Dave.
Yeah, well, just call me not Dave.
50%. Gear up. 25%. 50%.
Oh, that was enough speed.
Zero.
But see how some other planes that would not have gone well.
50%.
That roll rate does scare me because I don't want to lose orientation on it.
Yep, that's why.
Kind of a weird harmonic. Yeah, it sounds
It's
almost
zero.
like the Vulcan howl. Yeah, isn't that wild? Yeah. So
25%. 50%.
no, if you just set the flaps.